what are your future plans for expanding the business?
Ano po yung mga pangarap niyo po dito sa store? Gusto niyo po bang lumaki ulit, maging grocery store?
Yun po ang talagang pangarap ko dahil dati kasi po, ganun ang kwento. Ngayon po medyo malaki-laki ng konti. Kapag-tinda kami ng mga feeds, ganun yung plano sa isa. Yun po ang talagang pinapangarap ko na po. Napalaki ko po ito, maayos ko ito. Ang namin, center house na din ako.
One of our plans is to make her business grow. The structure of the building will be much more. And also want to sell another commodities like feeds for pigs or animals that is also saleable in this area, because if people go into the market, and so too very expensive for them. So he want also to make her business grow. Probably the use of more capital for this business.
Okay. Well, good luck to you, ma'am. Salamat po.